Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to complete a WordPress website using Claude AI. So whether you're creating a business website, a personal blog, portfolio page, landing page or online store, Claude can help you plan your website, write content, generate code and speed up the entire development process. By the end of this, you'll know how to use Claude AI alongside WordPress to build a professional website from scratch. So the first step is signing into Claude. Open up your browser, log on to Claude.ai, sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you're going to arrive directly on the Claude dashboard. If you don't have an account, please make sure to use your link to create one with your email and then complete the verification process. Now, once that's been done, you can go ahead and plan your website. So before building your website, it's a good idea to plan its structure. Claude can help you organize your pages, the navigation menu, and content before you even open up WordPress. So we're going to be entering a prompt, and the prompt for today is this: help me plan a WordPress website for a digital marketing agency. Now, a prompt is a set of instructions that the AI follows and helps you achieve. So go ahead and hit enter, and it's going to begin working on this. Claude can generate a home page, an about page, a services page, a blog page, contact page, and a frequently asked page. All right, so once it's done generating all of that info, you ask the question: do you already have a WordPress hosting or theme set up, or are you starting from scratch? We're going to be starting from scratch. So, what's the site main conversion goal? Let's say, not sure yet. And it's going to begin recalibrating the answer to what we requested. So, since we haven't set up anything here, they are pointing us to a few things we can do, like installing WordPress, installing themes like Astra or GeneratePress. These are free versions. And then installing some core plugin like Rank Math, WP Rocket, WP Forms, WordFence, and Monster Insights. And then building the sitemap. So we're going to be getting home, service, case studies, about, blog, contact fold before touching design polish. And then the brandings and everything else. All right, so all we're going to be doing here is we're going to be letting Claude create the content for each page. So instead of writing everything ourselves, Claude can generate professional website copies in just a few seconds. So all we're going to do now is just go ahead and tell it to generate content for the homepage and then hit enter. So it's going to begin generating content for the homepage, and just review the content and ask Claude to make changes until you're satisfied with the final results. So this is a homepage copy for digital marketing agency for a WordPress website. So once it's done, we're just going to take that info all the way to our WordPress. So make sure you have an account on WordPress. If you do not, please go ahead to create one. Once you're here, just head into the pages menu of WordPress and just go ahead and begin creating your pages. So where we have add pages at the top, click on add page and then copy the content from Claude and paste it into each page. Repeat the process until all your pages are complete. So we can create pages for a home, about, services, blog, or contact. Now let's head back to WordPress and see what it's achieved. So this is the home page. So all we need to do is just copy this, head back to WordPress, Control key and V, and voila, we have created a homepage. So this is basically what it's going to look like as the rough edges until we're able to smooth things out with prompts. So if you're not satisfied with what you have here, you can ask for a bit more details and also maybe to provide you with suggested visuals. So you can get most of your visuals from Canva or free websites that offer pictures. All right, so after generating the content from Claude, the next thing is just customizing your website. So it's time to personalize the website. So head back to WordPress. Let's go ahead and save this draft and head back to WordPress. So click on the WordPress logo, head straight into Appearance. So click on Appearance, and then we can select Theme, Editor, or any of the options. So we're going to be customizing a theme. So we're going to be going with the themes that were recommended to us. So if you scroll back, you'll see that the themes that were recommended was the Astra or GeneratePress. So let's go ahead and search for Astra. All right, now go ahead and click on Astra itself, and we're going to be activating this. So click on Activate, and it's going to begin working out. But you may need to pay for this. So this is now part of WordPress business. So let's just head back and empty the cart first. and head back to themes. So we should be looking for the free options. So we can just click on this and select free. So let's see a few free themes. There aren't that many free themes available on WordPress any longer. So just take note of this and act accordingly. Now, you can use Claude for some extra features, such as writing you SEO friendly page titles. You can just enter a prompt here, generating CSS code, creating custom HTML sections, or writing your JavaScript snippets. And then once you're done with everything, just head back to WordPress and just launch your site, or head into your pages and just simply publish them. All right, guys, that's how you can build a website with WordPress and Claude in 2026. As you've seen, Claude can help you plan your website, generate the content, improve SEO, write some custom codes, and speed up the entire development process, as well as suggesting visuals that you could use on your website. So, combined with WordPress, it's an excellent workflow for creating professional websites quickly and efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.